Hello everyone, this is Sandeep. Welcome to another video on KSY Creations. In this video, we will know about this quick sense day-night sensor which can be operated on 220 volts to 240 volts AC. And coming to water resistance, it is rated as IP44. Basically, this is the PR sensor which can be used to on and off the devices through light. Now let's see how we can connect this to a light. This is the device. We have got 3 wires here, blue, brown and red. Maximum load we can allow through this device is 6 amperes. And we have got the instruction manual. And these are the installation instructions. This device should be placed above the light, not below the light. And these are the wiring instructions. Brown wire is phase and blue one is neutral and red one is load. And this blue wire will be neutral, common for input and output. Before connecting this to a light, we'll open this and see what's inside. Here we have got a screw here. So in this way this looks from inside. This is the simple circuit and here we got this relay. To connect this device to the light, I will simply connect this red wire to the light. This red wire is the load in this way. Here I will take another piece of wire and connect it to the other terminal of the light. In this way I have connected this, and this piece of wire will be connected to this blue wire. Because this blue wire is the negative, common for input and output. In this way we have to connect this. Now these wires should be connected to 220 volts. Now let's connect this to the electricity and test it. Now I'll switch off the other lights. You can see now this circuit is working. You can see in this way this PIR sensor works. When I switch on the other lights, you can see it automatically switch off.